everyone, Luke here, welcome back to the channel. So, in today's video, what we're going to be doing is converting these car seats right here into some office chairs. So, let's get into it. So as you guys know, we have this scrap Nissan that we've just been taking parts on. So I'm going to take these seats out, and the reason for this is because they're so comfortable. I mean, I've never sat in a car seat that is this comfortable. They're like sofas, but in a car. So, let's get these taken out. So these are what the seats look like, and I wasn't joking when I was saying how comfortable they are. So, let's take these back indoors and see what we have to do next. Okay, so the first thing that I've done is I've taken all the bits off the bottom. So that includes a sliding mechanism and a little lever. And now, it will actually sit flat. So now them bits have been taken off the chair, we can now mark up our piece of wood. And this is basically going to be an adaptation plate so we can join an already existing office chair, well the main portion of it anyway, to this car seat just by cutting this out and marking up the holes. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So I finished cutting out my adaptation plate and I've drilled out the holes so this can be mounted into the seat. But I need to cut out another piece of wood to glue onto the back so we don't have this extra room on the bottom of the seat. So I'm going to do that now. So here's the piece of wood on the bottom that's going to help fill the gap in between the seat and this adaptation plate. And all I've done is I've screwed it into place and doweled it into place, so this is definitely not coming off. Right, so the next step is to get an old office chair, take off the main bit and just keep the legs and the spinny part. Now I've dismantled an old office chair that we had lying upstairs. All I'm going to do is try and find the centre of this, mark it out and screw it all together. And once we've done this, we can screw it to the chair to see how it looks. Right, so I'm going to go off and do that now, and I'll show you what it looks like once I'm done. Now I've marked the centre of this wood, I can now line up the main portion of my chair, which I've already done, and I've drilled out the holes to mount it, which is right here, here, here and here. So I've got a load of washers to help spread the load, and now I'm going to bolt it together. So that's what it looks like when it's bolted together, but take a look at this. Doesn't that look cool? Right, so the next step is to bolt this together and I'll show you the finished result once I'm done.
Okay, so Luke's made two of these, one for me and one for him. I tell you what, it's like being in your own throne. That is awesome, actually. Yeah, talk about comfortable.
Now I've finished this little project, I have to admit this does look fantastic. And I'll tell you guys what, you have not felt comfort until you've sat on this seat. Oh my goodness, it is so comfortable. With that being said, that does bring me to the end of the video, and I really enjoyed this one and I hope you guys did too. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them all. Anyway guys, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you later.